Alright, this is the power steering pressure hose. Had to take off the air filter, and I had to take off my little flywheel right here, which was all pretty simple. And this is the line I replaced right here, going down and right behind the back wheel, right up in there. That was a booger trying to screw it in, one turn at a time, inch by inch. But it went in pretty smooth. And that's a Mustang 07 power steering pressure hose. Real simple. Take off the airflow, then take off the little wheel, and make sure these is, I use metrics on here on this bolt. I use the 19 and I use the 10 on the bottom.